In this episode, I want to talk honestly about the pain. Pain is not just discomfort. Okay, take two. In this episode, I want to talk honestly about the pain. Pain is not just discomfort. It's not the kind of pain that comes after a hard workout. This is something different, more constant, more invasive, and more unpredictable. It starts in my lower spine, right around L4 and L5. That area has severe stenosis and nerve compression. Every morning, the first hour is the hardest. The pain feels tight and wrapped around the lower back like someone is clamping down on it. The first medication in the morning is important. It's the strongest my pain doctor will allow, plus some quick-release Tylenol, thanks to a new pain management doc who finally prescribed hydromorphone to get me down the stairs and onto the couch with coffee for the next 90 minutes. This is where the Rebuild Warrior Code starts for me. Rule 1 is we tell the truth about what it costs just to stand up and start the day. Standing is difficult. Walking takes time to loosen up. Sitting, especially in a car, often becomes unbearable after about 30 minutes. The best way I can describe it is that the nerves are under pressure and they react to everything. Sometimes it burns, sometimes it aches, sometimes it feels like electricity or a deep pulling sensation down into the hips, legs, and feet. Even on good days, I didn't drop below a level 7. Now with new medication, most of the day is a 6. That's been my reality for a long time. If you're living with something like this too, you're already a Rebuild Warrior. Because in this tribe, we don't confuse pain with weakness. The pain is real, but it doesn't get to define our worth. And pain doesn't just affect the body, it affects decisions, mood, motivation, and the confidence you have in your own capacity. It's the reason I can't push hard on any kind of strength training right now. It's the reason my walking distance has to be controlled, and it's the reason the rebuild must follow a different strategy. Over the past year, I've tried several approaches to understand the pain and manage it more effectively. Medications, injections, isometrics, careful walking, imaging, and working with specialists to get a clearer picture of what is actually happening. Some things helped a little, some things didn't help at all, and some things reached a point where they stopped helping. Another part of the Warrior Code is we don't confuse pain with weakness. The pain is real, but it doesn't get to define our worth. This week was a pivotal one, a visit to Duke and the assignment of a new pain management doc, a new opiate contract required in my state. That appointment was packed with hopeful news and direction. One doc managing all my pain meds. Most of all was the confirmed dates for the spinal cord stimulator implant and removal. So as of now, a reinforcement of the code. Show up inside the truth of today, take the next right step, however small, and don't do it alone. I am grateful we are here. The pain has shaped this rebuild as much as the training, the nutrition, and the bone stem plan. It forces me to stay patient. It forces me to slow down. It forces me to work inside my actual capacity, not the version of myself from a few years ago. That's what being a Rebuild Warrior really is for me, showing up inside the truth of today and still choosing to move forward. And that's all right. This rebuild has always been about honesty, strategy, and long-term progress. For me, the Rebuild Warrior Code right now is simple. Show up inside today's truth, keep the mission first, and don't abandon myself when it gets dark. Pain is part of the story, but it's not the whole story. In the next episode, I'll talk about the spinal cord stimulator trial, what it took to get here, the waiting and the paperwork, and how I'm getting ready to live 3 nights with wires in my back. Any part of this sounded like your story, feel free to share your experience or questions in the comments, so other Rebuild Warriors know they're not alone. Thank you for listening. We keep going. All right. I like it.